Ingrid here from Open Journey. I'm gonna do another entry with Via Lucis, the Via Lucis kit, Way of the Light. So beautiful. And I'm working on the Road to Emmaus right now. So this will be station 4. I pulled out here one of the cards from the Bible verse set, and this one says, Jesus himself drew near and walked with them. I'm not quite sure where I'm going to use this, but this is one of the stickers, full sticker sheets that comes with a kit. I prepped my pages ahead with distress and stain sprays, and I don't like those straight edges, so I rip these just a little bit. And also I keep these guys. Look what I ripped there, it's beautiful. So now this is gonna go here, I think. But yes, this is the account from Luke where the two disciples on Easter Day walk on the road to Emmaus. They're headed towards Emmaus from Jerusalem, and Jesus just walks up with them, and it's just amazing. It's one of my favorite accounts ever. So I'll put this down. I put it down because I'm pretty sure I'm gonna use it here. And what a beautiful messy mess. I love that. And this almost seems like their feelings, you know, they're all frustrated and almost lost faith, and all the questions that weighed on their minds and hearts, and then there's peace there. So that's cool. Okay, so I like this one. I'm gonna put that there, it's so pretty. So this was the bottom part. Just put that there. There we go. So up here I wanted to use one of the stamps. I have this big block. This is one of the mixed media kind of stamps. The one that says Jesus and all points to him. And I just keep it on the block because I use it all the time. And on the back part I use both sides. I have the stamp from it's not from the Lent kit, but it came out in the same time. So it has this header that says documenting my faith, journaling with Jesus. And I want to put that there. I tried it actually on this here. It says journaling about Jesus and me, documenting my faith, the faith journey. So just trying that there. I think I want that there. Actually, the easiest way is to do this, go the other way. So I'm using this beautiful bright green, cactus green, I guess, from Stays On. There we go. I was gonna save this for the word focus card. Here I just made a background. I knew I'm gonna work with this, so just made a background, and with the sprays, I sprayed over these punch hole enforcement stickers, which they're such a beautiful element. I use it a lot in journaling, just as like is. It looks so great there. I do want to. I don't like to use them mindless, even though it's a beautiful element. I don't know if it has any meaning, you know. I like to give all these a meaning. For the Lent, I was using them as counting the days of Lent, so that was cool. But here, I don't know. Just put one of these guys here. So anyway, I was spraying these, and then I took it off, and that's what was on there. But I'm pretty sure I'm gonna cover it. So I wanted this on here. Stay with us. It's so beautiful. The disciple asked him to stay. So just want to put some yellow here on the edges, just so I don't have a straight white edge. So I'm gonna use the fossilized amber. Totally matches the colors that are on the card. There. So we don't have that white edge. So I'm gonna be using this, but I don't think so. Well, that just kind of messes it up. The kind of the stampy look. Probably gonna have to rip the card, probably there. It's beautiful. We kind of put this underneath. Oh, that would be great. I do want that centered, so it's okay to have the straight edge here. You know what's super cool, guys? Is that this word stay, meno, from Greek, is the same word used in remain, when Jesus asks us to remain in his love. There are several Bible references here, but isn't that beautiful? That practically the disciples are asking, remain with us. So it's the same word. That's really cool. So I love this because this beautiful break here, you know, think it can be symbolic too, as a break into the ordinary. And actually I covered the Bible verse there, but I have it up there as well. Yeah, so this is the word focus card. I like the meno, the connection with the other word, remain. So I think I will journal on the back of this card with that. I'm pretty sure I will do something else to this, but I'm not sure quite what. Just I don't have. Yeah, the straight edges really bug me. As you noticed, I was trying to soften them up. Oh, sometimes you just have to go for it. Don't think too much. These are only the whole thing, so I had other plans for these strips, but just gonna go for it. I was gonna add a little bit of yellow there somehow. Hope I don't ruin it. I hope it works just fine. Actually, this strip kind of fits perfectly here, so we'll just use this. Well, this is kind of pieced together, but it works. I'll trim this. That's that. For the word focus card, and here I think I'm going to use one of these journaling cards from the Do You Love Me kit. I have these available. They're part of the add-on kit, but some of the cards are already sold out, so I have a bunch of these left. So I put them in the shop, just these journaling cards, just like the other ones, the colorful ones I have. Because I want to journal on the back, and I'm just gonna adhere it with one of these strips. It's a beautiful one. I love this burning love, because the disciples do talk about this, saying, were not our hearts burning inside of us when he was opening the scriptures to us? So that works great. There, and then I can journal on the back of that. I will add here the verse we were working with. So the main account is Luke 24. So I have a reference to that. And the date. Oops, we're in May. And the date. Just add one more thing here. Everything is so vertical, so I'm gonna add there. That was needed there. It's very important. It wasn't, but yeah, I wanted to do that. So my prayer with this would be that when we walk on this road to Emmaus, when we are in the same situation as his disciples were downcast and kind of overwhelmed with everything, I really hope Jesus would walk up to us and walk with us and kind of explain things. And often it happens. I think that's that. The road to Emmaus. I had this. I like to have these markers. It says 4th station, road to Emmaus. Not sure where to put this. I don't want to have it. I think I had it for. Yeah, I used it for every page. Yeah, but it is transparent, so it will blend in with what's behind. And these guys come in the digital download. There we go. All set. Hope you find this useful. Hope you enjoyed watching, and I'll see you next time. God bless.